Guys, welcome back to MK Madness. I'm sitting here with Dylan Barnard and his 2014 M3. Guys, this thing is angry. This is like the angriest BMW I've seen around in a long time. So Dylan, thank you for coming out and being on the channel. We really appreciate it.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
I'm so excited to see what this thing can do. Jeez.
Yeah, I know we were supposed to meet up with the 135.
Yes.
Unfortunately that didn't happen, and getting this car also happened so quickly. So yeah, that's unfortunate, but we make up for it at least.
We're gonna make up for it today, guys. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Guys, listen to this thing start up. There we have it. Oh my, I want to swear but I can't. Guys, this, I'm lost for words. This is the angriest M3, I think f80 M3 I've ever seen. It's intimidating, it's loud, it's low, and the nardo, oh my gosh. Guys, just look at this thing. Unbelievable. Okay guys, now we're really going to feel what this thing feels like. I'm so excited. You want to give us a launch from here?
I can. So yeah, with the rolling anti-lag, you literally click this up one click.
Okay.
And then that's... I just said fucking there. Just
the sound! Guys, I'm sorry, an RS3 or anything doesn't sound like this on launch. Do you think it's the single exit?
Definitely the single exit does make a big difference.
What the hell? That is unreal.
How that goes.
Oh my days. Unreal. Unreal.
Last time 11, but like I was just like, fuck it, let's just see, let's just see where it goes.
Guys, the sound. I'm in love. I'm in love with this thing. I mean, that is unreal. The sound is like, it's just, I don't even know how to describe it. It's almost scary because it's like you don't know when you're gonna let go and launch, you know, so it's like crazy.
But you must hear outside, like it isolated a lot inside the car. Outside it's a whole different ball game, honestly.
Is it really?
Different ball game, yeah. Outside is just a phenomenal sound. Like inside it sounds loud, definitely, but I mean if I open the windows you can hear, but
We're not gonna do that, guys. 4-hour car wash. Can't do that.
And then it started raining. But the rain stopped luckily, so it was just a few drops just to get the car a little bit dirty.
And we're speaking about the single exit, that's quite rare.
At the moment there's only 2 of us that have the single exit. So this is a single exit built by Strada.
Shout out to Callan, guys.
So a lot of people has the 4 pipe,
which is the standard, obviously.
Yeah, it's very standard. A lot of people have it. It sounds very nice, don't get me wrong, but the problem is
you wanted
I wanted something different.
You wanted louder.
I wanted something different.
That downshift earlier gave me a bit of a fright.
It's definitely loud. Drones a little bit, but I mean nothing too major, which is nice. There's a certain part on the highway, if you hit a certain speed it does drone, but you can always just downshift and you can get past that.
And then tuning, and I mean what's been done to this car? That's the steering wheel. So that's off your 135
Yes,
and this
that's
is
correct.
beautiful, guys. The steering wheel is, it's
Thank
like
you
I'm in
very
a
much.
cockpit. I love it.
Performance-wise, at the moment it's got boot mod and methanol, so it's running at just the stage 2 file done by RDM. But I also do have a E85 file, which is insane.
But you know, we spoke about the crank earlier, and obviously after upgrading the crank, you're going to run the E85 file.
Yeah,
I'm
so-
correct in saying that?
Yes, that's correct. So the weak part about these motors is the crank, unfortunately. So I would rather take the precaution to upgrade that.
100%.
And then I can run the E85, but also this is my daily at the moment. So it's not the most practical thing to run E85 as a daily, I think, but it can be done. The car loves it, the car runs nice and cool, so it can definitely be done.
It's all up to preference, I think, and obviously what you're using the car for. You know, if you're going to be racing and stuff like that, then maybe yeah, but like you say, the daily driving can be a bit much with the E85.
Yeah, exactly.
So then will you be able to switch through the maps? Will
Yes.
that be an option?
Yeah, so at the moment with the boot mod that I have, I don't know why she
Yeah,
did.
people are being aggressive today.
So with the boot mod that I have, I've got map switching in, so I can switch maps
That's
right
sick.
now, and it just makes it very practical.
That's so sick.
For like daily driving and stuff like that. Touching fender.
Oh, guys, I missed that butterfly feeling. This is what we live for. That feeling when you're accelerating in your stomach, and it'll never ever go away, ever. So have you got rolling launch as well? Is that
I've
what
got
we just
rolling
felt?
anti-lag. No, so that was just normal, putting my foot flat. So we've got anti-lag, rolling anti-lag. I can do that in a bit. Let me just do it after the substrate. I'll show you what that sounds like. So this is rolling anti-lag.
That sound is unreal.
Yeah. So that's with the boot mod as well. It gives you a feature to do that, which is nice.
I'm sure when you're revving, that must be insane.
The anti-lag, if you put it in launch control and hit the anti-lag as well, it's just an insane sound with the single exit. I'm sure we can put in a clip as well, so you can just
We'll drop that in right now, guys. But it's insane, like the different sounds are crazy. And Dylan was saying he does not turn the traction off yet. You're not there yet.
Yeah, I run it in MDM. I've taken to the skid pan twice, just busy learning the car. Like, we have some phenomenal drivers out there. Obviously I want to be like them one day. I'm not quite there, and
But you will get there, we know it.
Yes, I will get there eventually. I'll try my best, but right now I'm not going to be irresponsible and try right with the car.
We were in such awe of this beautiful car that we actually forgot to film an outro. But anyway, a huge thank you to Dylan Barnard for bringing out this absolutely stunning 2014 M3. You're an absolute legend. We can't wait to have you on the channel again with the future stuff that you do to this car. A massive thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for what's next. We out.